Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have INFINIX Note 40 Pro and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your application or game are not visible in your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you try search your game or application but you can't install it, you have it there, but you can't do anything with it, we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store, where we tap on our photo on the right corner. There's settings, family and parental control. As you can see now we have PG3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends game, we need more than PG3. To change it, we tap there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control, and after that we can change it from PG3 to maybe allow unincluded underrated by tap there, confirm by go it and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends game again, and we have it, we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!